Guys, in this video I will do a quick unboxing of the MA14 Medify Air filter, and we had to buy this because there's been recent fires in Irvine and all over California, and so the quality of the air is awful, and obviously our leaders don't want to do anything about it. They don't want to take care of the forests. They don't want to do forest management. They just want to do whatever they want to do. And so we're lucky that we have amazing police, we have amazing community helpers and firefighters that are helping out since the management won't do anything. And so we have to buy this stuff to keep ourselves safe, as well as 3M masks whenever we go out, whether it's because of the virus or because the quality of air is just poor. But anyway, we got this out here. Let's see. It seems pretty simple. Comes with the instruction manual here. Bunch of extra wrapping paper, which is not paper but plastic. All around here. It looks pretty simple. Straightforward. Only a tiny bit of stuff to get removed. It's just some styrofoam and plastic. There we go. Here we have it. The Medify Air. And I'll let you guys know in future videos whether it's good and how to use it. But in the meantime, here was the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it, and see you in the next one.